G'day, here's a parcel of very bright, vibrant, mostly blue opal, and it's on a dark to black base, so the stones that come out of this should be N1, N2s, but they can't be classified until they're cut. Anyway, I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, the rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted, it's normal. As you can see, they're quite vibrant colours. Start off with a big bit, Colour bar running through here. A little bit of show of blue here, so you might find another pocket of colour. Showing here, a little tiny bit. These pieces, it's quite broken, undulating, but still get a nice stone out of the middle there, I think. Still got the skin on it, but if you're prepared to cut it with a Dremel rather than try to face it into a flat or cabochon shape, you end up with very nice stones. Electric blues and greens in this piece. Not such a darker base, but it is undulating, so you might have to cut it into a couple of stones, I think. Perhaps through there somewhere. Sorry, through there. End up with a big stone and a longer stone there. This is a little bit more crystal. Electric colours. Vertical piece, colours bars are running across. So end up with like a picture stone probably. Colours underneath that skin. Again, another little small piece. And a couple of others. Greens and blues. Not as dark a base. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.